Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show a special bad boy portrait concept photo editing tutorial. Let's check in this video. First of all, open Picsart application, tap on this plus icon and go to pick canvas and select 1:1 ratio white background. Okay, and now arrange it like this. Now all PNG and background links are in description. You can go and download there. Now what you have to do is you have to take another empty layer and go to stickers and select this, but I will give this background link in the description. You can go and download this so you can add from the gallery. Okay, now arrange this background perfectly in the center like this. Simply follow my video so you can also edit your images exactly like you see in thumbnail. Now after arranging you have to go to edit image. After this you have to go to add photo and select one shadow line png. I will give this all PNG links in the description. Okay, this is the shadow line PNG. Now arrange this shadow line PNG perfectly in the both sides like this, left side and the right side, and follow the video. Now after arranging on left side and right side, you have to tap on tick mark. Now you have to add your model image. Remember, you have to erase the background of your model image before editing this image. Go to stickers, go to cutouts and add your model image. I hope you learn how to cut the background. I already did one video so you can learn from there. Now arrange your model image perfectly in the center like this, and you have to erase the bottom portion so it will be look like the pop out from the inside the envelope like that. You have to do. Okay, you have to simply erase on the bottom portions. Now after arranging perfectly, you have to do some adjustments. Okay, now you have to tap on tick, go to adjust, and you have to a little adjustments like I'm doing in the video. You have to increase the contrast and the shadow of this image. Okay, tap on tick mark, and now you have to go to add photo and select the PNGs one by one and arrange the PNGs one by one like I'm doing in the video. Okay, simply follow my video. Friends, if you are first time watching my videos, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now simply follow my video till the end. Friends, finally the pages are running perfectly. Now you have to go to tools and do some adjustments. Okay, go to tools, go to adjust, and you have to do some adjustments like I'm doing in the video. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. Friends, if you're still watching my video, please kindly like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you all really enjoy this video. Please tap on bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification for the first time. Okay, so simply subscribe and share to your friends. This is the end of the video, and I will be back with new video with another new amazing concept photo editing tutorial. Now simply go to draw, okay, and tap on this three dot and take this image and have fun.